I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you to Innovation Startup Hiccups. Over the last 25 years, many of us have been involved in either internal, corporate, or even our own startups. We have a youth that's hungry and passionate about starting their own business, but many loopholes to starting a business, whether in South Africa or throughout the world. We'd really like to encourage each of you to join us on the journey of getting over those startup hiccups and creating sustainable businesses. One of the key challenges with creating a sustainable business environment is not just capital or venture capital investment, but also looking at your product design, your service design. Many of us are talking about disruptive technologies, disruptive services, and I think there's a couple of really great examples of that that we've seen over the last couple of years. For example, everybody talks about Uber. We've seen, the growth of Google and some of the other initiatives and ideas that they've taken on into their businesses and acquired over the years. Fortunately, within the loan business environment, we have a number of highly experienced individuals who can work with you and mentor. We'd really like to encourage each of you to join us on the journey of getting over those startup hiccups and creating sustainable businesses.